Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken rice salad updated. Cook rice and cool it completely, then shred chicken and chop vegetables. Combine rice, chicken, 1/4 cup mayo, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tsp salt, and 1/2 tsp black pepper. Stir gently to keep texture, chill 30 minutes to blend flavors, taste and adjust seasoning, then serve with fresh herbs and a lemon wedge. Start by tasting as you build the dressing so you can adjust tang, salt, and creaminess early. Aim for a balance of cream, acid, and salt so rice and chicken stay interesting. Fold ingredients gently to preserve texture and avoid mushy grains. If needed, add a splash of olive oil or a pinch of sugar to round flavors. Finish with chopped parsley or cilantro for a fresh, inviting finish before serving. To keep the salad lively, separate grains with a fork once rice is cooled and use shredded chicken for even bites. Dice vegetables uniformly for consistent texture and toss them with a little salt to draw out excess moisture. Use chilled ingredients to keep mayo from thinning and fold gently so the salad stays light. Adjust seasoning after chilling and garnish with herbs or a sprinkle of toasted seeds for a pleasant crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.